So we ended last meeting here sa question number 10. Makita kong screen nag-share.
Yes, sir. Makita na, sir.
Ito na. Okay. So, yeah. So, kung ano mo itong last na itong question. Negative 109. Next. Wala. Question number 11. The binary number, this one, can be written in octal as, tanagi octal, no? Octal. Base 8. Kaya mo gamit sa calculator. Type lang natin sa calculator. Bin 1011001110010101 Oy, math error, adili kaya. Search na to. Eight 4471241. Diba? A. 8471241. Okay? So, octal is a different type of number system. Also, alongside decimal and hexadecimal. The rightmost bit is a signed binary number. Is the signed bit. Sakto? The rightmost. False. Okay, false. Sakto si Rom. Kasi pasabutin mo, Mao, na mag-search sa exam.
Ay, kung dili kaya lugar sa answer. Ay, healthcare.
Oo. Open naman ninyo ang browser daan. So, technically, that's allowed. How about this one? The hexadecimal number system has 16 characters, 6 of which are alphabetic characters. Sakto? 6 ba? A, B, C, D, E, F. True. Fill F. The binary number system is a weighted system with 2 digits. Yeah, true. 2 digits. The difference of 1000 and 100 in binary equals I don't know what's unweighted in this case, pero pan siguro ni siya weighted in a sense nga mag-give value or kana bitong times 10 to the power of something, no? So each digit has weight. Siguro nga klase nga weighted ang sabutan ni. Lahi lang po na mo so the difference of 1000 and 100, so binary, makayalagay po sa calculator. 100. No? So, sakto si Joffrey, 100. Hindi naman din maklik, no? Answer naman din dito. The two's complement of the binary number 1111 is 0000. True or false? So, ito, two's complement, inverse, then add 1. So, false. So, ang yang inverse is 0000. So, plus 1 man. So, 0001. Mo yung two's complement. Ang 1 lang, trivia, no? Ang 1111 mo yung most sa ba? Sabi? Smallest no negative number. So negative 1. So yung inverse is 0001, which is the smallest positive number. A single precision floating point binary number has a total of ito na again eh. Tanang 32 bits. So standard eh siya sa IEEE. So the format of IEEE is single precision floating point standard representation requires 23 fraction bits, 8 exponent bits, and 1 sign bit. So 32 bits. So standard na siya. No? So ito, 32 bits. Yeah. The sum of 1111 and 1111 in binary is 11110. C. The ones complement. Ones complement. Say difference sa ones complement and two's complement.
Inverse na, sir.
Inverse lang, like plus 1. So the answer is A. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. The code that has even parity error is, kadon na pumaan eh. Cover na to eh. Di ba? Parity. Kalimot na ko. Parity is a method of detecting errors. So asa, no? So asaaning na error? A, B, or C, or D. Sure ko nakaagitaan eh. Kalimutan ko giyan sa nato to before. Either an even number or odd number of ones. So even parity, so even number of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. D? So for many systems, use a parity bit as a means for bit error detection. Any group of bits contain either an even or an odd number of ones. So the question is, the code that has an even parity error is ang choice na ay odd number of ones. So if an even parity, if a system utilizes even parity, so dapat even ang yung number of ones. So A, B, and C all have all have even number of ones, aside sa letter D. The decimal number positive 122 is expressed in 2's complement form as i-convert sa to binary ang decimal. Decimal is 122, binary niya is 11111010. So I'm assuming 8 bits ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0, 1, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0. Zero, 1, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0. So yung 1's complement is 1, 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 1. Plus 1. Diba? Sakto ba na eh? Wala man sa choice. Ay, siguro, sa'yo akong gibuhat. Ah, 110 din ang ending. Ang gapon. A. Decimal to twos complement converter. The ones complement of binary number 1010 is 010. True. BCD stands for binary coded decimal. True. False. Kung manino, BCD, binary coded decimal. True. In a cyclic redundancy check, RCR, the absence of error is indicated by, at least we'll learn something sa answer ani. CRC is widely used code for detecting 1 and 2-bit transmission error when the digital data are transferred on communication link. If it is properly designed, CRC can detect multiple errors for a number of bits in sequence. Answer na lang. When there is a zero na remainder. Absence of errors is indicated by no remainder. Okay? Okay, C. Decimal number to 50. Convert ni siya. An error in a given code can be detected by verifying the parity bit. True? True. The binary number for F7A9, convert na siya, dali lagyan pa na. The binary number can be written in hexa as convert gyapon. The BCD for 473. So 4 is 0100. So either C or D. 7 is 0111. D. So answer is D. 0100, 0111, 0011. I'm not sure kung na-direct nga converter ang calculator. So, dahil naman convert mo tagsa ang 4, ang 7, and ang 3. 3, 3 times 10 to the power of 1 plus 4 times 10 to the power of 0 is 34, no? C. The decimal equivalent of 1000 is 4. 8 eh. 8. Sakto. 1000. Yeah, 8. Oo. No? Imposible yun na 0. Ikaw kayo nga calculator lang. Decimal number 21 is equivalent to binary. Okay? So, finish na daan eh. How about this one? An inverter performs a NOT operation. Of course, true. Not. A NAND gate. Sige lang later. A NAND gate can be considered as an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. True or false?
True.
True. The output of AND gate with inputs A, B, C is low when
Both.
Both 1 and 2?
Yes, sir.
Basta na 0. No? What's an anti-fuse? Nalagyan niyo yung logic na question. Wired highest mode. Skip na lang yun. Baka natin answer later. So, guess niyo. Tama ni Diri. Namigikan. B daw. Two conductors connected in a series. Sige lang. Skip na lang. Wala na siya appeal. Ano yun? Medyo technical. About to mind. Anong anti-fuse to? Erase na ako to. A pulse is applied to each input of an XOR. One pulse goes high at 0, back low at 1 millisecond. The other pulse goes high at 0.8 and goes low at 3. The output goes high at... Sige, basta ginawa mo yung mga kuan diha. Extra sheet of paper. Pwede ninyo ni kuan. Answer. Sa mga times. 0, 1, 0.8, 3. 0, 1 pulse goes high at 0. And goes back low at 1 millisecond. The other pulse goes high at 0.8 and goes back to low at 3. Okay, malaging ano yata ang drawing. No? So, question, this is input A, this is input B, XOR, the output pulse can be described as ano na yung XOR? Kung both 0, 0. Kung both 1, kay 0. Before 0.8, both 0. So, 0. So, pag abot from 0.8 to 1 is both 1 sila. So, 0 gihapon, taman 1. Butog after 1 millisecond, lahi sila duha. So, high. Butog 3, 0 sila duha. So, I think yan na, no? I hope I'm right. Choice A, it goes high at 1 and back to low at 3. So, I think sakto na ni, no? How about 2? It goes high at 0. Dili man, no? Ay, hala. Ay, wait, sayop. No? Sayop ako ang answer. Again. Ito na ipang kwan, mga critical points. Before 0, okay, high siya. After 0, high gapon. Kay 0, 1 man. From point A to 1, high sila doon. So, low. After 1, bali. So, high. After 3, low sila doon. So, yan na. I think so. So, again, it goes high at 1. Yes. And low at 3. Sakto. Pero correct po siguro ni. It goes high at 0. And back low at 0.8. So, sakto. So, both 2 and 3. Goes high at 0. And back low at 3. Dili man ni correct ng B. So, B, I think, ang correct answer. Once programmed, PLD logic can be changed. What is PLD? Programmable logic device. Reconfigurable. So, yes, true. Two types of fixed function logic ICs are bipolar and NMOS. True or false? Chronix 2. True or false? Ano mo tumaan eh?
I-take into
True.
consideration yung na-answer.
NMOS ba to ang kaatbang sa bipolar? Technically, ang TTL dapat nino. NMOS to or CMOS? Diba CMOS? Kung wala man ang mga technology na pag-manufacture sa ICs, CMOS. So, mali. Two ways to enter logic design using PLD development software are all of the above? Wala may all of the above. PLD. PLD development. Sila mabala na ito ni later. Text numeric siguro. Wala natin anya. The output of an OR gate with inputs A, B, C is low when C naman siguro, no? A, B, C equals to 0. If A, B, C, A equals 0, B 1, C 1, then OR gate 1. So C. A NOT gate cannot have more than one input. True or false? Naka-encounter ba tag 2 input NOT gate? Pagkanan, cannot have more than one input. So true. Cannot have man. A NOT gate cannot have more than one input. True. An OR gate can be considered as an OR gate followed by an inverter. True man siguro ni. OR gate followed by an inverter. An output of an exclusive OR is 0 if inputs are opposite.
False.
False?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man no, 0. False. If opposite kay 1. No? Sakto. If all inputs to an AND gate are 1, the output is 0. False. The output is supposed to be 1. JTAG. So, may JTAG. Stands for JTAG. Joint
I
test
think it's B, sir.
B. Joint test action group. Okay, joint test action group. An inverter performs an operation known as inversion, complementation, assertion. 1 and 3 naman siguro. No, really assertion. So, both 1 and 3. Complement is the same as inversion. Assert is i-push ang particular nga input. I-assert. Most PLD utilize an array of sa ba ni? Naman tanan. NAND, NOR? NOR siguro. AND gates. AND gates ang answer. Sakto si Rom. No? In system programming of PLD typically uses all of the above. I will get all of the above. Ano daw? Embedded clock generator and embedded processor. The rows and columns of interconnection of matrix in SPLD are connected using di ba? Wires. Wires. Switches, gates. Gates, siguro? B? Ito. Fuses? Fuses daw. Once you measure a period of pulse waveform, the frequency is found by measuring duty cycle, ata. Or finding a reciprocal of the period. Mamasyo na, no? A. If any input to an OR is 0, any input to an OR gate is 0, the output is 0. False. It's possible nga 1. Huh? Positive going pulse is applied to an inverter. The time interval from the leading edge of the input to the leading edge of the output is 7 nanoseconds. This parameter is propagation delay, TPLH or TPHL. Low to high or high to low. Propagation delay nga, low to high or high to low. Ito na ito ni. HL, high to low. Ano po ni? A pulse is applied to each input. Basta, kabalo na taan sa pagbuhat ani, no? Kala mo paper, and then mag-graph lang mo. Skip na ito ni. Wala ito si answer later. Fan out is a number of similar gates at given drive, a given gate can drive. So, siguro ni siya. EEPROM can be programmed using device programmer. To measure the period of a pulse waveform, you must use oscilloscope. When an input on an inverter is low, the output is high. Okay, ito answer ba? Three wrong answers. Paano ko ba nga kuan? Incorrect. Anti-fuse is two conductors separated by insulator din. Okay. Keep that in mind lang. Two ways to enter. This is correct. Text and graphic din. Okay. So pa. Kani, no? So, of course, pataka lang ko din. Yan nilagay pa yung button, guys. Kanipod, of course. Correct itong fan out. True. Okay, so sakto na yung device programmer, sakto na yung oscilloscope. No? Okay. Almost correct man tanan. Next. Dito na tatuan. Answers na lang. Kanina malagkaya lang A 4-variable K-map has how many cells? Guys. 8, 32, 16, 4. 16, 16. 16 cells. Okay. So, meaning ang input is A, B, C, D. No? So, naka-bot mo tayo before. Yes, 16 cells. When a Boolean variable is multiplied by its complement, the result is the variable. True or false? Boolean rules ni siya. If available pa ito yung table before, katulad itong
0.
False. When a Boolean variables multiplied, the result is 0. Okay, so false. Ah, answers mo din eh. So false. Diba? According to the associative law of addition,
D.
B, flip-flip lang. A plus
D.
B
D.
equals B
Ay.
plus A.
D.
Lo,
Yay!
di lagi.
Ay.
Dili. Of addition man. Ito, atong kande. Atong kopya.
Tama, sir. Ingon ni Google.
Tama yung ni Google. Tama ang answer na to or answer ni
Tama
e-learn?
ang grouping. Remember ko na sa grade school, sir, kay gihilakon na ni.
So, grade school good hali. Lagi sa mawi sa grade school kay nanay logic. Sa math, no?
Addition man yun.
Addition. Okay. Sakto mo siguro, Nick, no? Boolean theorem number 11, I think. No? Sige. Okay. So the correct answer is this one. SOP means sum of product. True. In a 4-variable K-map, a 2-variable product term is produced by a 4-cell group of ones, a 2-cell group of ones, an 8-cell group of ones, or a 4-cell group of zeros. So, crush out na ang D. Kaya di man taga circle of zeros sa K-map. So, nala aning A, B, or C. If natay in-circle na either 4 or 2 or 8 cells, makaproduce daw ta og 2-variable product term. 4-cell, 2-cell, or 8-cell. Kung 8-cell, eight cells siguro, no? Kung 4-cell, 4-cell lang,
Nawala ka, sir. Yes, sir. Napang share screen. Wala Japon, sir. Last na to kay katong Carnora Japon, sir.
Kani.
Yes, sir.
Okay na. Sige. So, dire, again, di ba to expect na makabutaan nyo, no? HDL, but the answer is entity. So, about this one, which of the following is not a valid rule for Boolean algebra? A, B, C, or D? Naroon sa table. Or should I say nga, ang answer is wala sa
C.
table. C. C?
C.
Naman sa table ang C.
Ay, joke lang. Hindi,
A,
ay.
A times A is A or X times X is X. Number 3 man na siya. A. A is equal to A. So, wala man na siya. No? Next. K-maps can be used to simplify Boolean expressions. So, well, true. A. Multiplication in Boolean algebra is equivalent to the end function. And or. Dua naman, no? Yeah, end. I think it's end. True. An example of POS expression is 1, 2, or 3. 3 only. SOP. So, 3, no? So, no, 2 lagi. POS man. SOP maning 3. Kaning POS, no? Product of sum. The Boolean expression A plus B plus C or A or B or C is hello? Yeah, multiplication din yun, no? Sakto pa ito. So, again, the Boolean expression A or B or C is D, a sum term. No? Yeah, correct. The complement of 0 is 0 itself. False, it's 1. According to the distributive law, A, B, C, or D? D. A times B or C. VHDL is a type of hardware definition language. False, it's hardware description language. HDL. The other one is Verilog. Okay. A VHDL program consists of an entity and architecture. So, true, false, true daw. The domain of the expression, this one is what? So, what does the domain mean? I think the domain means all possible inputs, no? A, B, C, and D. So, the answer is C. Magagaya pag math. No? An example of standard SOP. Aka na yung standard. No? What's the difference between regular SOP and standard SOP? So, ang ma-extract na to nga SOP, posible standard yun siya diretso, pero ang yung meaning is when we say standard SOP, each expression present ang tanan timing kayo ang term domain, no? Natanan domain sa each expression. So, the only choice possible is C. AB prime plus A prime B plus AB. No? So, choice A, ABC plus ACD. Wala man si D sa first expression. So, di pwede. Same kang B. Ang domain is ABCD. No? Pero, Wala si C ug D sa first expression. Same sa last nga choice, no? Yang domain ani is A, B, C, D gyapon pero sa last expression si A lang. So dili siya standard. So the answer is C. A three-variable K-map has 6 cells. True or false? False. It's either di man taga K-map gito 4 cells. So 8 cells and 16 cells. False na siya. Wala 6 cells. Aside sa fact nga dili siya power of 2. A variable is a symbol in Boolean algebra used to represent a condition, a data, or an action. All of the above siguro. No? Answers 1, 2, and 3. So anything, condition, pwede ma-represent og 1 ug 0. Ang data, pwede 1 ug 0. Ang action, pwede po 1 ug 0. Cohen-McCluskey method can be used to, ni Agi ani. Pero ako nang na-touch kas alang yun, no? For a few seconds lang, nga mas higher level siya sa K-map. No? So both 1 and 2. It replaces the K-map method. Kaya remember, ang K-map is, yung limitation is only 4 variables, no? 4 inputs. So ang higher level daw is Cohen-McCluskey. Pero practically speaking, again, di naman gid kayo ta necessarily mo go ani nga klase nga mga analysis kay na naman computers, no? Just like the demonstration na last week. A powerful software to synthesize and simplify circuits. So no need for us to know yun, no, how to perform Cohen-McCluskey. Si computer na magbuhat ana. The commutative law, associative law, and distributive law are all laws in Boolean algebra. True. A. HDL is a type of D, hardware description language. Which of the following rules state that if one input of an AND gate is always 1, the output is equal to the other input? C? C ram lang choice na ay or maning kuan. C. Either A or D. D. No? Diba? So, A and 1 is A. In VHDL, a port is na paano ito no? Sa katong present sa demonstration na ani siya, no? In VHDL, a port is input-output. Na demo ni last meeting. Last week. So, according to commutative law of multiplication, ani? B? Lagi B. Variable, complement, and literals are terms used in Boolean algebra. True. A Boolean expression, A, B, C, D, then it not all over, or A, B, C, D prime is a product term, inverse term, literal term, or sum term. For sure, it's a sum term. Product term siguro, A. Lagi, A. Product term. According to De Morgan's theorem, De Morgan is katong basis, I think, sa OR XOR, XOR XNOR. According to De Morgan's theorem, the complement of a product of variables is equal to De Morgan kay katong kung naamo atong table nato, dili ni siya mao ang kuan or XOR, XOR XNOR, dili mo. De Morgan is if na mo atong Boolean theorem nga table bitaw nato sa katong Tochi, It's number 16, 17. The sum of the complement of a product. So number 17. The complement of a product is equal to the sum of the complements. So lahi si 1 ug 2, no? Lahi ang sum of complement ug sum. So unsa man gyud? The sum of complements. I think A, no? Or 2. Lagi. So sakto. The sum of complements. This is number. Ano yung comment?
Excuse me, sir, sa
Yes.
27, sir. Di
Mm.
ba kuan? Ma-simplify mo na siya. Ay, kanang Biblean theorem kadong sa
De Morgan gyapon.
17. Oh,
Masimplify
dili
pa
siya
gyapon,
ka-sum
yes.
term, sir.
Pero kuan man, kaniman nga given lang.
Ay, okay.
Mm.
Sige, sir.
So sakto na ni mo ang comment, Mao. Masimplify pa man yan. So, baita sa number 28, yeah. Lahi ang complement of sum sa sum of complement, no? So, the answer is sum of complement. This is number 17, gihapon sa Boolean theorems nato previously. An example of a SOP expression is D. D. A prime B plus A C prime plus A B prime C. Okay. Addition in Boolean algebra is equivalent to the NOR function. False. Addition is OR. The complement of a product of variables is equal to the sum of the complement of each variable. Sakto nature or false. Again, this is number either 16 or 17 sa Boolean theorems. Complement of a product. The complement of a product is 17. Is equal to the sum of the complement. Katong question sa taas kanina, sum of complement. True. So, same idea sa question earlier. Exactly the same video. Last question, yun eh. The Boolean expression x is equal to that one represents, sige daw, I'd like to guess, two ends or together, two ors ended together, a four input AND gate or four input OR gate. For sure, delete na ni C ug D. No? Okay. Answer ni Mauyog ni Rom B. So, two ors ended together. No? Kailahang final operation is AND man. No? Ang multiplication. So, yeah, the preference is two ors ended together. Okay. So, this is my fourth set of test bank. Last set. AOI is acronym for end or invert. This is true. Ay, hala. Lagi ko an. The correct answer. Wait. Ay, okay. Sorry. Mas wala ko og ano. Wait lang sa. Okay, diba? So, lahi ang question number 1. So, sige lang. If the inputs of an XOR gate are different, the output is high, XNOR, true or false. 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 So if XNOR, kung 1-0 or 0-1 ang input, output is low. False. The expression for an AND or invert circuit having one AND gate with inputs A, B, C, and another AND gate with inputs D, F is the output expression for an AND or invert circuit having one AND gate with inputs A, B, C, and the other AND gate with inputs D, E, F is A. Ata. Dapat by invert. Pero, sige lang. De. Okay, mag-correct si Rom. Ano? Hilday? Sorry. B. B day. Si Andre day. No? So, kaling, no? B. A parity generator cannot be implemented using XOR gates. False. So, it can be implemented using XOR gate. NAND gates can be used to produce AND functions. True or false? True. True. Okay. Sakto. Diba? So, all Boolean functions could be implemented using NAND gate. Wired as such. Diba? Kung gusto tag inverter, pwede tayo magamit ng NAND gate. Kung gusto tag AND gate or OR gate, pwede tayo magamit ng NAND gate. So, NAND gates are universal, no? In that respect. So, true. Pati NOR gate, no? Pwede ka pa ng NOR gates. Universal ka pa ng NOR gate. Diba? So, kaya sa ni NOR gate magbuhat of all logic functions. Kasi magawas na siya later. AND or logic can have only 2 to input AND gate. False. And or logic. So, din eh. Pwede siya, and or logic is, usually kanang gina-implement nato sa atong kuan, sa atong SOP, no? Output sa atong SOP. Yeah, the usual nato nga output sa SOP na dili nato pa gina-simplify. So, and or logic na siya. So, false because pwede man tadaghan, no? Pwede man tadaghag end gates. So, false. Or operation can be produced with if NAND gate, ito itong kan ganina. Or operation sa NAND, 3 NAND gates. Ang operation sa NOR, 3 AND gate. Or 2. 2 NOR gates. So, collect pod ni. So, both answers 1 and 2 are correct. Diba? Ang OR operation using NAND is 3. Diba? This one. No? 3 NAND gates. Sa NOR gates, ang OR operation is 2 NOR gates. So, diba? Collect pod ni. So, both answers 1 and 2. NOR gates cannot be used to produce OR function. True or false? So, bago lang nato nakita, NOR gates can be used to produce OR function. So, false. Answer. An exclusive NOR function is expressed as saan eh? Dala. As tumas na ko. Dala. A and B or A prime and B prime. Oh, wala sa choices. Exclusive NOR. Sige na, lahi na klase. Pagka-state. Sabi? Oh, wala lagi. C. C, no? Lagi C. A prime, B prime plus AB. Diba? AB plus A prime, B prime. XNOR. To implement this expression, it takes, sige daw, what's your guess? For sure, pwede naman ni isa ka OR gate, no? 1 OR gate, 1 pila ka AND gate. So, kung pila ka POS expression, SOP expression, maupod ang number of AND gates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 AND gates, 1 OR gate, 5 input, o pila ka inverter. 1, 2, 3, 8 inverters. Kaya talaga ni 3 inverters, di ba? Agree mo? So, safe ang question. Literal ba kayo ang answer, which is correct yapon. Gibilang lang niya pila ka book primes, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, mali ang answer. Pero kaya lagi ni tulo ka inverters kay dito nato ibutang sa input gid nga side dito ato bitong ginabuhat, no? So, sige lang, ato na lang siya pagbigyan mo ni ang answer. 8 inverters. VHDL component, alam talaga VHDL. So, basta kay mo ni answer. Kani, the expression, this one, cannot be simplified. No, di naman ni ma-simplify. Walay common. So, cannot be simplified. Walay common nga variable sa ila, ha? Any SOP expression can be implemented using only NAND gates. Yes, true. No? Any expression, no, for that matter, can be implemented using only NAND gates. Di ba naka-activity ko sa inyo before? Implement this and that using only NAND gates. Then, moladay ni ang moladay ni ang kinahanglan. Kaning. When using dual symbols in logic diagram, focus ata sa choices B, C, ug D. Bubble outputs are connected to bubble inputs. The NAND symbols produce the AND operation. The negative OR symbols produce OR operation. May true ano. All of these are true daw. Dual symbol. True daw ni. Okay. And operation can be produced with kung NAND 2 NAND gates, this is correct. Kung NOR 3 NOR gates, so yun is correct. Doon ka book answer, A ug D. 2 NAND gates. Pwede mo yung answer mo gyapon eh. 3 NOR gates. No? So, doon ka book answer A ug D dapat. Negative OR is equivalent to NAND. False. Not true? Negative OR. Okay. Ano yung negative OR? Sakto. Paano na gamit aning notation? Negative OR. Ano po negative end? Diba? Diba? Negative end. Negative end kay NOR. No? Well, logic circuit with an output consists of ano po niyo, tulo ka inverter. Pwede mo simplify, no? Yung inverter kaysa output ng ibutang. So, okay, 3 inverter. C answer. Lagi, C. Correct answer is 2 AND gates, 1 OR gate, and 3 inverters. All Boolean expressions can be implemented with combination of AND or an inverter. This is correct. NAND gates only, pwede. NOR gates, pwede pod. Combination of NAND and NOR gates, pwede. Okay, so any of these. The dual symbol for NAND gate is negative AND symbol. False? So to, ang sa NAND gate is negative OR. No? The output expression for an AND OR circuit having one AND with inputs A, B, C and one AND gate with inputs D, E, F is C. C again. Doon lang ni ka AND gate. The first AND gate is A, B, C. The second AND gate is D, E, F. AOI is acronym for AND or invert true. The input of an exclusive OR gate are the same. If the inputs of an exclusive OR are the same, output is low. True. No? Just table lang sa XOR. VHDL component, naging VHDL again. So, modeling answer, 2 and 3. Okay? So, alam mo kabala ka ng mga VHDL nga questions. Ito niya, agana. Okay. So, that's it for our review. Any comments? Kapos naman sa time, no? It's already 4:20. But, yes, Mick, naka-question?
Wala sir, natuplok. Sorry.
Ito ba? Sige. So, it's already 4:22. Pero I think pwede naman siguro taman lang dili atong theory kaya problem solving man siguro sa itong sequential, no, at SM. Okay, mabutang ka kung multiple choice pod, no, sa kuan pod. Ano lang. So, tama na siguro dito nga ang topic for multiple choice. All the other topics, kay mo man to atong topic sa later part na sa SEM. Kato ng sequential and finite state machine. Okay? Kabantay mo atong post sa mga sa ilahang chemical thermodynamics. Kasi na friends nga din, nagkabantay silang post.
Nakita lang sir.
No, malaging ato siguro sad. Post mo mga picture ba?
Pwede rin sa dili sir.
Bitaw. Sige, mo to. So, okay, kanso tong exam? Saturday morning, no? Saturday morning, coverage is from the start. Pero ang theory lang from the start, ang problem solving is kato lang latest na mga topics. And then, yeah, I think that's it. No? Wala na? Concerns?
Sir,
Wrong?
i-pass ang lab, sir.
Wala ko nagbutang og slot dito sa kuano, sa e-learn.
So when ang deadline, sir? Next week, sir?
Next week na, next week.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sige, utang lang ko dito. Next week pa.
Sir, muna to, tanan, sir.
Sige, mo na tutanan. Di lang
Ay,
kung na
salamat.
to.
Yay!
Ha?
Sige, sige.
5 ug 6 man to, sir, no? Lab 5, lab 6.
Ang last.
Ay, salamat. Ay, naging... Oh!
Basig na pa yung magsudog love 1. Ala, nagi di ay.
Wala, sir.
Sige, sige.
Happy na, sir, nga. Di na ko mumata og check din sa lab kung naibago.
Sige, mga to. Okay? So, see you tomorrow sa exam sa ECE 17. And God bless sa inyong pag-study. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Sige.
Christmas in
Merry
advance.
Christmas.
Step on me.
Oy,
Thank you,
Christmas
sir.
party daw to, di ba? Next week sa JSEP.
Yes, sir. Christmas
Game,
games, sir.
game night. Game afternoon,
sir.
day. Game afternoon.
Japan daw, sir.
Sige. Kita-kita na dito. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Hi, sir.